Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14 Candelas. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 14 Candelas won't start up due to a faulty hard drive, you're not alone. This issue often arises from mechanical failure or corruption in the drive, preventing your device from booting up. If left unattended, it can lead to data loss and further complications with your laptop. By addressing it swiftly, you can save your files and restore your device to full functionality. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive. First, ensure your HP 14 Candelas is turned off and unplugged from any power source. You'll want to place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid any scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. Inside, locate the hard drive. It typically sits in a designated bay secured by screws. You may see a connector attached to it. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out. Now, unscrew the hard drive from its mount, making sure to remember the position of each screw. With the hard drive free, lift it out gently. Take your new hard drive and place it into the same bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cable by pushing it back into place firmly. Secure the hard drive with the screws you removed earlier, applying only a gentle amount of force to avoid stripping them. Now, before putting the back cover back on, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure it back together. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your laptop and power it on. If all goes well, your HP 14 Candelas should boot up successfully. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly back up your data and consider using a surge protector to protect your device from power surges. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the life of your hard drive. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.